Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing scavenger hunt the red glitter glue, like the bottle when you make slime in.
Right.
We're gonna do a scavenger hunt. It's already hide, and my mom hided it. So yeah, and my mom did it hot and cold. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video when I upload.
Okay.
Let's get this video 10,000 likes.
Okay.
Let's start. You know where you hide it, right?
Yeah, I do. I know it. Warm.
We're moving soon, so in
Cold.
the video we will
See boxes.
we'll do a new house tour.
Okay.
Don't forget to check that out. That's coming soon, a couple weeks
Okay.
when we sell. So hot or cold?
Cold. You're freezing cold.
Ah, wrong room.
You're cold water cold.
It's in this room, right?
Yeah, it's in this room, I think.
Yeah, freeze the cold.
That's almost
Warm. Hot tub warm.
Hot tub warm.
Hot tub warm. Cold. No. No matter how long they're winning. No. Cold. Bitter cold. Blizzard cold.
Blizzard cold.
More blizzard cold.
That's so weird.
Warm. You got it.
Yeah.
Cold. Warm. Bubble bath warm.
Bubble bath one. I'll have that tonight. Found it.
Found it. Good
It was in
job.
the shoebox.
Wow, silly. She found it.
So I'm gonna make slime now.
Okay.
So that's good. Is my mom a good vlogger? Give me a thumbs up or comment down below. Comment down below. If my mom's a good vlogger, comment down below. So where should I make this slime? On the
table, huh?
yeah. At the table.
Move things around, okay?
Gotta get the light in. Hold on. Hold on, sorry. You're. She said a real word.
This thing gets on the table before me dying, it'd be a good idea.
Huh?
Oi.
Oi. Alright, you're all set up. Alright, now I need to get the activator, the bowl, spoon. And that's my grandpa in the background. He's like, huh.
Like now you do something else, right?
I'm gonna make slime.
Pick one. Any one.
His face! I'll be back to get the activator.
Oi.
And this is a brand new activator. That's not good. Okay, so this is gonna be a red glitter slime.
Okay.
So let's pour the glue in. Then activator, then stir. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves
A
because
little bit too much pepper on those French fries, but
It's alright.
it'll be fine.
it's alright.
I'm joking. It's like a.
Like a red orange.
It's no, it's not like that. It's like a. jam
Okay, yeah, jam.
with glitter.
Strawberry jam.
See it? Gotta get out.
Hot nothing, man.
Yeah, I know.
I just got the hitting shoes on today.
Yeah. It farted. Tooted.
Oh, is that the
That was the bottle. Can't believe you thought that was my tooth. It's really stuck in there. It's like in the end. Like, that's like the bottom. If you want to see more scavenger jumps, don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. We do uploads as much as we can. Because we're really busy and school's starting on Monday. Guys, comment down below if you started school. Okay, I think that's enough. I've been like 5 minutes or so of making it. So let's pour the activator in. This is not strong activator, so don't worry. It's not like Tide or borax, so you can use it.
Yes, hon.
That's a lot, but it's not strong. Stir it. It's so pretty, actually. It's so pretty.
Keep the video to a minimum, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. What's your order now?
Hey guys, that's not the only good news on the injury front. It looks like they'll be getting another arm back in
Yeesh.
that movement.
Wash your left foot.
To come up the mound today and remove that.
What?
It's a possibility that he could be back Sunday, but probably more likely that they'll give him the off day.
Definitely needs more. Definitely needs more.
That gives him another option out of the pen. And Gio Urshela is eligible to come off the IL on Tuesday. It looks as though he should be good to go too. So this team is looking a little bit more complete, with the exception of
Need more activator. Cause some. Smells funky. They add a scent to it for some reason. The activator. I don't know. They normally don't have a scent to the activator. I don't know. They add a scent to the activator.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what it is.
What?
They add a scent to the
Oh,
activator.
did they? Oh, yeah, I don't know. Does it smell bad?
No,
Alright, so that's not.
not bad. But it's activator. Why is it? Sometimes it gets stuck in your fingers. That's annoying. But yeah, it gets off when you play it. Yeah. Not ready to go on the table yet. It's forming together. It's forming together. Such a pretty color. Like,
Well, the NFL started last night. I thought it was like a misprint. I thought maybe the Falcons played earlier or something down there.
uh,
29 runs. Yeah, that's amazing because I think the ball had 9 RBI. And
ugh.
that's more than some guys have all season.
And a couple months, or I don't know, we'll get a dog. Stay tuned, because we might do a video of that. I don't know. The reveal. Dog reveal. It's glitters in it. It's good.
Yeah, I like the glitter. Gives it a little bling.
Yeah. Make it prettier.
Yep.
It's not like glitters has glitter flakes.
Right.
Like that glitter flakes. It's flakes. It's not like small glitter, it's like thick.
Right.
Look at this color, Grandpa.
Looks nice.
I know.
Very nice. Very good there.
Yeah. Getting better at it.
Yeah. Like anything else, right?
Yeah. You just have to work on it.
That's right.
So I think this slime did 9 out of 10. Really good. It's a little sticky, but that's slime. So how about we do a bubble? It was like, it's like an igloo when it's like, I'm gonna do it again to show you why. Yeah. See that? That. Hopefully this video gets a lot of views. I like with my eyebrow.
Yeah.
Very normal. And don't forget to check the last video, because that was an apartment tour. It's like a waterfall, slowly, small. When it comes down, it's so satisfying when it goes out. Like, it goes like that. That's so satisfying. When it just comes down like that. So cool. Alright guys. Oh, a slime swirl. And we'll put it in a container. Put it back to my mom. Okay, film.
Okay.
I'll just say goodbye. Don't.
Go ahead.
Okay guys, so that's me making slime and doing a scavenger challenge. Thanks to
Cool.
my mom. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. Adios amigos.
Mwah. You turn it off. Okay.
You just press that.
Well, last time I pressed it, you had a